So here I've already opened my Google Sheets, and if you add a number into a blank cells, for example in here, so the text will be treated so the number will be treated as text like this. And to change it into a numbering format, you can just block the column or rows that you want to add numbers. For example in here, and then just go to format at the top, and then here click on number. You can see now it's automatic, and you can just click on number, or you can also custom the number format, but I'm going to just add these numbers right here. Okay, you can see now it will be treated as number. So when you add another numbers on the blank cells, it will be automatically treated as numbering. Okay, so that's all from me. I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click thanks, like this video, comment if you have any question, and also subscribe. Bye.